In this video, we are going to build a Python program to calculate area of a circle. So we will use the online program Miss Python compiler. We will take input and the equation for area of a circle is pi r square. So we are going to build a program which is going to calculate and then we will output. So the steps would be, the first step is to write the code of the program. This program is to, and then we write the code, calculate area of a circle. What is going to be our input? The input is going to be radius. The user is going to enter different values for the radius. What is the output? Is nothing but area of a circle. Let's take an example. The input example can be, let's say, 12. Then what would be the output? Output would be, we take an example, 3.14 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12. So 452.16. Now let us write the program. The first would be to get the input. The input can be taken as radius, that is our variable, is input, enter radius. Now because the input is returning text, we need to convert into float. The reason why we want to convert into float is our radius can be integer or so-called whole number, or it can also be fraction. So float is a mechanism to take a fraction number in Python. Now calculating area of a circle, nothing but 3.14 multiplied by radius multiplied by radius, and then we are going to output. Because we are outputting a variable, we need to provide format. That is why the F and double quotes, that is in Python, and we can say area of circle equal to, and we have to remember to give curly brackets for variable. So what is the variable? Area of a circle, and what is going to be the radius? For radius equal to radius. So we can come to know that for this radius, this is the area. Let us run. And here we are expecting that if we put 12, then it gave an error because it's saying area of a circle is not defined, because the name is, there is name error. And now if we resolve this, and we can add 12, and we can see that it is 4.159 and it is rounded off to 16. So that is the output. We can try for another radius. We can call it 187.45 for example. The expectation of this program will be, we can expect that 187.545 multiplied by 187.45 multiplied by 3.14. So the output is around 110,331. So we can see that our program is running fine. Thank you.